Hello everyone, this is Emma with the Software Training Lab, and today we are going over the Select and Mask workspace. We'll be talking about the different tools and options in that particular workspace and what it does. To get to the Select and Mask workspace, go to the Select at the top and then Select and Mask. This will put you in that workspace. In this workspace, it has a similar setup as the regular Photoshop and even some similar tools. You have the tools on the left and the properties on the right. You also have the different tool settings at the top. You probably have used a lot of tools on the left-hand side. The only one that is different here is the Refine Edge brush tool. Before we use that tool, you want to make a selection first with the regular Quick Selection tool. Then you'll be able to use the Refine Brush tool. This tool just refines your selection. It is best used on hair or fur, things that tend to be more stringy and hard to select normally. You can just drag it over the edges and it will do its best to select the hard to select parts. To better see your selection, you can change the view of it over on the right side in the Properties panel. You can change the view mode to match whatever works for you best. For example, there are marching ants or colored overlays. The other option that's important to note is the feather option over in the Properties panel on the right-hand side. Increasing the feather will add a more faded in look instead of a hard border. There are other options in the Properties panel, but you don't need to usually worry about those that much. Once you've made all your adjustments, you can hit OK. It will create a mask from what you have selected. That's everything for the Select and Mask workspace. Thanks for watching.